Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mubarak Dauda. This channel, you'll be learning everything about data analytics, Power BI, Power Query, my lifestyle as a data analyst, and any career tips that will help you grow in your data career also. Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be learning how to get data from JSON file. So, a JSON file is this type of format of data that store data in a dictionary. So if you work along with developer, this is how like everything is being stored. It's stored row by row. And for each of this dictionary here, this is the key and this is the value. So what this means is the key means the title and the value for each title. So if you want to have a 1000 record in a JSON type format, you can see this custom mark here. Everything will replicate in that aspect and have different records. So that's what how a JSON file store data. So we are bringing this type of data into Power Query. So this type of data where you can get it is more from developer view, programmers. So when you work with developer, these are type of data that they store data. In the previous video, we discussed about XML because it's developer type of way of storing data also. And then we have JSON also here, and you can see how JSON looks like here. So let's get into Power BI. So to get that data, we come to get data in our Power BI. When you come to get data, you'll see a JSON file here. Click on the JSON file and click on connect. When you click on connect, you go and locate where your file is, and you can see the same file will open in this aspect, and it will connect to it. So it's still establishing connection. And you see what Power Query does? It converted all those records into a tabular format for analysis. And you'll see for each of every one record that you see here, it has converted into a rows and a column. And that's how you get data from a JSON format. If you work with developer, and they give you this type of data, that is how they store data. So this is how you can get the data into Power BI for your analysis. So what I will do here, I'll say I will name this get data from JSON. So and I'll close and apply. So this will be all for our video today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly give me a follow, like, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you get notified when a video drops. Nice having you here. Bye.